So, hello everyone, welcome to the next part of our series in which I am going to discuss that the issue which we are facing while importing the FPX into the Blender. We are getting uh, value of X rotation which is about zero point 0.5 times 0 minus 0. Let me import once. This is our file. So, I exported it after cleaning and I did everything on this model, and you can see we have minus 0 point this rotation. I asked in ChatGPT 2, I get to know that this is the Euler rounding rotation. We'll get this rotation in FBX file every time we export from Blender. From Blender, we will get this rotation, which is in terms of technicalities, it is a Euler rounding rotation. And if we try to export it from 3ds Max, sometime we get you might get the Euler rounding rotation to be 0 0.5 times 0 then 3 like this. But the thing is, there is a solution of this. The solution is you can import this model into the 3ds Max, and instead of FBX, well, we are going to export it as a binary. You need to select it as a binary format in 3ds Max, and if you export it from 3ds Max in the version FBX version of 2015 and 2013, you definitely get 0. I don't know why it is, but as you can see, if I import FBX from my 3ds Max folder, this is my 3ds Max folder, I can show you. But the thing is, the 3ds Max software is currently not opening. I'll definitely create a tutorial in the next video, or maybe the tutorial may not be with this series, but yes, from here you can see this is my model and I imported it. So sorry, this is the file. Okay, so let me create a new file here and import an FBX file from this location, which is I exported it in this folder, and you can see, okay, it is this. Oh, sorry, this is not the file I have exported. I need to check it where I have exported it. Import FBX. I think I might exported it to not here. This one, FBX 2013, and yeah, here I think so. This is the correct file which I exported. Again, it is 0 0.03. I don't know why. I need to check again. Hmm. Import FBX. Pack this and upload. Let me check it to my next screen. Please wait for some time. Okay, so this file was saved in this location. Actually, I exported it so many times, so I was confused. But yes, this is the file which I have exported from 3ds Max on 4th of July, and it is 14th. I'm so sorry that I am 10 days late to publish this video, but yeah, this is the file. You can see these are main model. There is no hierarchy, nothing. So that actually I tried so many softwares, and so many softwares like Rhino, 3ds Max, Maya, and other online tools also, other FBX converter tools also. But as you can see, we are getting 0 0.00 Euler rounding. There is no Euler rounding rotation. As you can see now, you can see I am going to import it once again. This is so this is our previous file. This one, you can see here is this rotation, and I'm going to delete this. And if I import it again, you can see I can export it from this location, this one. and you can see a file is 0.000. There is no any extra uh, rotation or translations. So this is how you can use 3ds Max or any FBX tool that can convert your 3D format to FBX in the version of 2015, less than in between 2013 to 2015. So this is how you can export your model. And after that, what I did, I exported it and publish it on submit it on active task. Whenever you click on active task, you will get here, and I completed the task. After that, I requested here to the CGTrader team. I reached out to them and I asked on mail also that I am not able to complete the test just because of Euler rounding rotation, but somehow I completed the test. And yes, I tried to look through the binary file that if I can read it with the help of ChatGPT, I can um, convert in the binary format, but I was unable to do that. But it is possible, but I can't do that because binary files, maybe the file can be readable on other tools. I don't know where to read that, but yes, I tried to change in that, but I was unable to change. And yes, after submitting, still I have no any other task that I from now I can get. I may get some different project, but I don't know when I'll be getting that. And here you can see there are tasks in progress, 7 out of 0 out of 7, tasks accepted 0 and 1. So this is how you can complete the Wildcat CGTrader task assignment. And thanks for watching the series. Hope you like it, and if you have any query or any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I'll definitely reply on that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel. It's our own channel. I need to publish more videos like this. I'll prepare some more videos on Blender in future, so you'll be get notified uh, if you press the bell icon and subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Thank you.